Spine stretch forward. Come sit up. Open your legs just wider than your mat. Reach your arms straight out. Inhale, lift up tall. Exhale, round and reach your spine. Now, what if instead of curling in because you think that your spine, your muscles need to stretch, what if you move your low back, let your lumbar spine move forward, get your face over the space over your over your calves. Yes, Janet, doesn't that feel better? And you deepen your low abdominals and reach your spine, then roll back up. And I know you say, but shouldn't we keep our lumbar spine, our low back straight up? No, that's the stiffest part of your body. Move it forward. Just keep your sacrum and pelvis stable. Go again, round and reach your spine. What are you looking at? Probably, as if you're really low, you're looking at the mat just between your knees and roll back up. Go again. And is your chin touching your chest? Round and reach. Stay there with your underside of your jaw lightly towards your neck as opposed to chin. Stay down there. Stay down there. Place one finger at the center top of your head and press your finger into your head and your head and spine into your finger. Reach out longer. Yes, then reach your arms out and keep reaching like that as you roll back up.